to you, Catman. The next day. Hey kid, what's up? I'm reading to my dog man. Studies show that kids who read out to dogs, they improve their skills by up to 30%. That's fake news! It is? Well, no, probably not. But if it's only half of the story, it believes that kids can get same benefits by reading out loud to cats. Really? Sure, kids who read out loud to their cats, they can. Sure, kids who read out to cats can improve their skills and their confidence. I'm getting better by that minute, kid. Me too, kid. But they become better communication in practice more class. Yo, I got mad community skills, kid. Me too, kid. And leaving, and they have reduced strictness level because cats don't judge Jim. He accidentally spelled it skip a word. She didn't she didn't even know this. But there's more because now there's a new reading crazy that I read. If it's happened at animal shelters anywhere, kids could show up and read to shelter cats. Get the kids get all their great benefits from their reading out loud to cats, and the cats get the benefits of human interaction and social. These help. This helps make it easier for shelter cats to get adopted. It's a win-win for everybody. Wow, that's that's a great idea, Papa. Mm. 2 hours later, hey Petey, got two visitors. I do. Hey, what you doing here, kid? I came to read to my cat, kid. Really? Really? What are you going to read me? It's a book I wrote by myself. All by myself. See? Maybe it's such a greatest knock-knock joke about poop. Oh, no! Check with your local animal shelter to see if you can volunteer to read to your cat kid. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a notification so you get notified when I read my new development book. Bye. Oh, I forgot one more thing. If you wanna read to your cat, man, I put there. Just put hashtag read to your cat kid, so you can have cats can learn their skills like up to 30%, just like Petey said. So bye. Or just learn at www.pilkey.com. I'll put the link in my description. Bye.